What's up, guys? I didn't forget about you. Checking in, a little progress video showing you the IKO Dynasty Brownstone roof in the daylight so you can actually see what it looks like. So we'll get a little bit closer so you guys can see. Oh, here's the Dynasty lifetime shingle Brownstone. As you guys can see, with the colors, it goes on. It looks like a designer shingle. So this is giving this home a designer look, but then it's also going to protect it. So not only does it look good, but it's going to protect it long term. So this is IKO Dynasty Brownstone is the color, and right now we're really getting through this, and we're going to finish just about 3,500 square feet in just one day. So I'll do a quick lap around for you guys, and so you guys could kind of see. This is a white home with brown shutters, so it accents the shutters very nice. And this home had some leaks. I think it was in the fall or last spring. They patched it up. The patches and the repairs didn't work. So this was kind of a necessity. So when we spoke to them, it worked out that we had a few openings in the calendar, and we were able to squeeze them in before we got any bad weather again. So this, as you guys can see, with the shingles going up, then you see the white paper, the synthetic underlayment, and then you saw earlier we had the ice and water on the gutter lines and then up the sides of the roof as well. And this roof is good for a lifetime. So as long as they're here, they're 100% covered. They're not going to have anything to worry about. And that's really all you want in a roof. But if you can get a roof that looks good and also lasts you a lifetime, then it's a no-brainer. So I'm going to go around in the back. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to see because I'm only like 6'6" or something like that. So I can't really see too high up there. But let's see how much we could see in the back. Maybe if I stand back enough. I don't know how much I could see, but we can see the garage. So hold on, I'm gonna flip it around and I'll show it to you guys. So here's the back, right? You can't really see much up there, and the sun's glaring anyway. So here's the back going up. Then you can see the ice and water on the perimeter there, and then the white paper, and then the shingles. So all new boots around the pipes, and this is a IKO Dynasty lifetime roof, and it's done by Grapevine Pro, of course. If you guys need anything, roof, siding, windows, gutters, solar, want to save a little money on your electric bill, call us, go to our website. The website is grapevinepro.com. Phone number 732-335-7770. So if you need anything, call us. Free estimate, free inspections on the roof, service, repairs, maintenance, whatever you need, give us a call. We'll come out, take a look at what you have going on, and write something up for you and see if we can make it work for you guys and for us. That's pretty much it. I'll check back in. I got to run, and then I'll check back in at the end so you guys can see a finished product. But that's pretty much a midway point on a lifetime roof that we're installing here in Manalapan, New Jersey. Again, check us out online, grapevinepro.com. I'm checking out. That's all. See ya.